In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple Salesforce flow in 2025 using a step-by-step approach. Creating a Salesforce flow can help automate routine tasks and optimize your business processes without the need for advanced programming skills. So let's dive right in. First, you want to open up your Salesforce environment. Begin by navigating to the home page. This is your starting point where you'll have easy access to the tools and settings you need to create your flow. Once you're on the home page, look for the option called Open Advanced Setup. This will take you to the section of Salesforce where you'll be able to configure various settings and tools, including flows. Next, in the Advanced Setup section, locate the Quick Find box. This is an incredibly useful feature, especially when you're looking for a specific tool among many. In the Quick Find box, type in the word Flows. This will immediately narrow down the options available and direct you to the next step. Once you see the Flows option appear, click on it. This will bring you to the area where you can manage existing flows or create new ones. Click on Flows, and you'll be taken to the Flows homepage. Now it's time to begin creating your new flow. You'll find a button labeled New Flow. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can start building your flow from scratch. You'll see various options for creating different types of flows, but for this tutorial, we're going to focus on automations launched by records and events. These flows are designed to run without user interaction, making them perfect for simple automated processes. To continue, select automations launched by records and events. This choice is ideal for scenarios where you want actions to be automatically triggered by changes to records. For this demonstration, click on Record Triggered Flow. This type of flow is specifically tailored to initiate automations based on changes to a Salesforce record, such as when a record is created, updated, or deleted. With these steps, you have successfully set up the initial framework for your Salesforce flow. From here, you can further customize and develop your flow to suit your specific requirements. The interface you see now provides various tools and options for detailing the actions that should be performed by your flow. By following these straightforward steps, you've built the foundation of a Salesforce flow. This process is designed to help you automate tasks and improve efficiency in your Salesforce environment. Stay tuned for more tutorials where we'll dive deeper into customizing and getting the most out of your flows in Salesforce. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.